future, then you need to follow something that is possibilities. Understand one thing. Suppose if I ask you, will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? Then you have two options. I will come, I will not come. But as it is a future, so in future we have the possibilities also. You can also say, sir, maybe I may come. So you can reply in possibilities also in future. Are you getting my point what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you reply, suppose you want to reply with possibility, because future is all about possibilities. So if you want to reply with possibilities, then you are going to use may, might and must. Now remember one thing.
Okay.
Suppose your possibility is 100%, then you will use must in place of will. If your possibility is 100%.
Okay.
Now suppose if your possibility is very less, suppose it is say it is 20% only for doing something in future, then you would say might. But if your possibility is around 70% or between 60 to 70%, then you would say may. I give you one example. Now you ask me something in future.
Okay. Will you drive car?
Now you're asking me, will I drive the car? Now I have 5 options. Either I can say I will drive the car, or I can say I will not drive the car, or I can use possibilities. I may drive the car, I might drive the car, I must drive the car. So what are these may, might and must? These are the modal verbs I discussed with you. Whenever we talk about the certainty in the future, or whenever we talk about the certainty in the sentence, then we use modal verbs. I told you this, and after modal verb we always use first. So the simple thing is that if somebody is asking you something in future, then apart from giving the answer positively or negatively, you can give the answer in the possibilities also. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will ask you question and you need to reply. Okay. Will you come tomorrow in the class?
I must come tomorrow.
Okay. Will you complete your task on time?
I may complete my task on time.
Okay. Will you attend lecture?
I might attend lecture.
Okay. Will you invest your money?
I will not invest my money.
Okay. Will you cast your vote in India?
Sir, the cast your vote.
Cast means to give the vote. Suppose there are different political parties. Yeah.
I must cast my vote.
Okay. Will you get married? Now it is a very interesting question for you. I
will get married.
I will get married. Won't you reply with must?
Also, I must marry.
Yeah, I must get married. Okay. Will you go to Europe, as you are in Asia now? So will you try to go to Europe?
I might go Europe.
I might go to Europe. Have you understood what I am trying to say?
I might go.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So for my understanding, I repeat the thing.
Yeah, please.
I using may only when I can do the 70 percentages of
Correct.
possibilities.
Correct.
And I using might only for 20 percentage of possibilities.
Correct. Less possibilities.
Using for 100 percentage.
Correct. And not you are using the word I using. It is a wrong sentence. Not I using, I use. Okay, I use, not I using. Are you getting my point? I using, again, it is not a grammatically correct sentence. If you are saying I using, then how would I come to know either you are talking about present or past? It is a grammatically wrong sentence.
I use.
I use. Got it?
Yes, I use.
Okay, so have you understood future? Do you have any doubt in this?
Yes,
No doubt?
don't have, sir.
Okay. Now let's come to one ready-made sentence. Cut and dried. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of cut and dried is very simple. When you get something without doing anything. For example, easily you are getting everything. Suppose you are going to your home and somebody else is preparing food for you. Somebody else is preparing, doing the dishes for you. Somebody else doing everything. You are just going, you are just having food and enjoying and sleeping. So what you are doing, you are getting cut and dried. You do not have to do anything. You can see here in this sentence also, I have given you cut and dried. Sentence I have given you, formula I have given you, even words also I have given you. You only need to put this word here. I will attend lecture. So what is this? This is the cut and dried. You do not have to do hard work. If I only give you the word and you need to make the sentence, then it will be your work. Otherwise you are getting cut and dried. So have you understood the meaning of cut and dried? It means getting everything without doing any work. For example, my friend is getting cut and dried. I will not give you cut and dried. Okay. She is getting cut and dried.
Okay.
Do you get cut and dried?
Okay.
I will not give you cut and dried.
Yes.
Like this. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So like this you can make the sentence. Now let's come to the vocabulary of the day. So today's first vocab is that confectioner. Who is confectioner? Confectioner is a person who sells sweets, who prepares sweets. A person who trades in making or selling confectionery. That person is known as confectioner. So you must be having confectionery in Singapore, in Chennai also. Do we have?
Yes, a lot of confectionery available.
Okay. So do you take confectionery things or sugar items?
Yes.
In Hindi we call it
Yes,
mithai.
definitely.
How do we call it in Tamil?
That one also mitai, sir. We also follow mitai.
You also call it mithai.
Sweet thing.
Sweets.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know any confectioner in Singapore?
Yeah, I know so many Prima Delhi and so many confectioner.
Okay. Good. So have you understood the meaning of this? Confectioner. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next word is knead the dough. I think you know the meaning of this. Knead the dough. Here you can see in the picture, knead the dough. You can see the example here. She does not know how to knead the dough. I am kneading the dough. Can you knead the dough? Now you tell me. Can you knead the dough or knead the flour?
I can able to
No.
knead
Now
the flour.
if you are using can, there is no need to use able because can is showing your ability. So if you are using able and can together,
Okay.
you are doubling the process. Either use can or
I
able.
can knead the flour.
I can knead the flour. Now next, accost. What is the meaning of accost? The simply you can say to interrupt. Suppose teacher is teaching something and a student said, "Excuse me, I have a question." So what he did, he accosted. He accosted her.
Okay.
Okay. For example, did you accost your teacher? Why are you accosting me? I did not want to accost you. Like this, you can make the sentence. So instead of saying interrupt, you can use the word accost. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving you a topic for tomorrow. Tomorrow you need to speak over education system of India. What is education system of India? How does it work? And what are the best thing in education system of India? What are the worst things are there? Everything you need to tell me. Got it? Have you understood?
Okay, sir. I think this topic bit tough.
It is. Yeah. It obviously I cannot give you all the easy topic.